So if you've been watching the video, you'll see that I am kind of doing an Eddie Van Halen style paint job. I didn't like the action that I had on there when I first started. I thought it looked cheesy and stupid. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm actually going to do two colors, if you've noticed by the picture montage that I've been posting. This is going to be our first color, and then the next color that we put on is going to be green. So basically this is it. I mean, you know, it started out as just a, you know, fucking guitar to build, and it has now turned out to be a complete repaint restoration. What I'm doing, I'm taping it off for the yellow or the orange, whatever color this is looking like in the camera. And then I'm going to paint it to green. And then once I get the green on here, then we'll put the stripes of that on, and then we'll paint it black. So that is the plan. Well, that looks pretty good right there. I think I'm going to stop on that. Now we're going to go ahead and apply our green, and then I'll come back, I'll stripe that off, and then once that's striped off tomorrow, then we'll put the black on it. And yeah, so Eddie Van Halen, not a lookalike, not a copycat, just his design. there you go. I got to wet sand it down real good, and then what I'll do is I will clear coat it. I got to clean some of the edges up, but Eddie Van Halen style guitar. This is not exactly like his. This is just his style, that's all. I'm not going to copycat his guitar. I know it's a popular guitar, but I'd rather come up with my own design and do what I do to make it mine. So there you go. Okay, I just wired up the guitar. Let's go ahead and look and see what we got. If we turn it over, we got a single up here on the neck. We got the double down here. I decided not to go with the active pickups. This one's reading out at 16.5. This one reads out at 6.75 on the ohm readings. And then what I did, I used a Telecaster three-way switch, which I don't think I'll be playing with them both together. I don't know what it's going to sound like. We'll see what happens, but I needed a switch to flip from one to the other. I went ahead and wired up the inlet power supply, and we're going to go ahead. Oh, and then I used a 500K. That's a 500K volume pot. We're not going to put a tone on here. I never use tone. 90% people I know don't use tone, so it's just a volume only knob. And we're going to go ahead and plug it into an amplifier and see what happens. I got my amplifier back here, and it's working, so we're going to go ahead and plug this in. And we got some loud buzzing going on. This isn't wired up properly, so I need to figure out what is going on, because I know I got it wired up right. So let's see here. So we got the 500K pot, we got the bridge pickup down at the bottom like it's supposed to be, we got our ground wire on our pot. I wonder if we have this backwards. That should be right. Now, I want to let everybody know I've had this guitar for probably 25 years or longer, and it's been in pieces that long, so we're finally getting it all together, but it's really starting to look good. I'm glad I went ahead and painted it instead of leaving it looking like a pile of shit. My initial thoughts when first building this, I was only going to put one pickup in it and a volume knob, that's it. But I decided that since I like to play blues, neck pickup is more designed for blues to get that nice quality deep blues tone. So I went ahead and did a 2 pickup guitar like a Telecaster in a Fender body. So I'm going to go ahead and string it all up, and we'll get it going and see how it plays. I'm not going to have a floating bridge. So for right now, we're just going to have a bridge that is stabilized with 5 springs, and then maybe later I will float the bridge. But for right now, I just want to get the guitar working and playing. I still got to set the intonation on the guitar, being that this is a brand new Fender bridge that I put on here. So I still got to do that. So that's going to take a little while. So let me go ahead and get that done, and then we will see what's going on. PV pickups neck. Together. Bridge pickup.